Hi everyone, Jeremy Schaefer here. So I've received a few comments from people that have said that they still can't do a flasher. So now I'm going to show you the easiest flasher. Try to at least get everybody so that they can fold a flasher. So what we did, we just folded the paper in half, and we're going to now fold this edge to the crease and rotate and fold this edge to the crease. So this is the first flasher that you should make. This is the easiest flasher, and I just realized that I haven't actually shown this on my channel, so here it goes. Alright, so we folded it into fourths. Now we're going to take this raw edge and fold it up here. So I'm going to do this really slow so that everybody hopefully will be able to follow it. Alright, now rotate, and we're going to fold this edge up to this crease. Alright, now turn it over, and we're going to take this edge, both layers, and fold it up right to the center crease. There's the center crease. Fold it so that it lines up with the center crease and flatten. Okay, rotate, and now fold this edge up to that same crease. Okay, now turn over and fold in half. Alright, so we have divided paper into 8, see, and we have a little fan here. Okay, unfold. So we divided it into 8. Now we have to divide it into 8 in this direction. So fold in half. Okay, and fold this edge to the crease. It really doesn't matter what side of the paper you're on. Okay, and rotate, and fold this edge to the crease, to the other edge. Okay, now we take the raw edge, which is the side of the paper, and we fold it up to the top. Okay, rotate, and take this raw edge and fold it to the top. Turn over, and we take this edge and fold it right to this crease. Rotate, and fold this edge to that same crease. Alright, turn over and fold in half. Okay, and we have completed our 8 by 8 grid. We have 8 squares in this direction and 8 squares going down. But we actually only need 7. So we're going to remove 1 unit. That means this whole strip. Now you could use scissors and you could just cut it right along this line. You could cut this whole strip off, but I prefer just to fold it. This is a simple model, so so 1 extra layer isn't gonna hurt. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing right here. So just fold it up. Okay, and now turn it over, and you see we have a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grid of creases. Okay. So Now what we're going to do is, we have a center square right here. So what you're going to do is, let's draw it on just to make it a little bit easier. Here is our center square. Alright? Now, what we're going to do, this is going to be mountains, and we're going to extend the mountain right to the edge, you see? And rotate and extend the mountain right to the edge, and extend to the edge, and one more, extend to the edge. Okay, so these are all mountain folds. Now let's put in the valleys. The valley is going to go like this, right on the diagonal, and it's also going to go like this. Valley, 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 and do that 3 more times. And now we're going to make some more mountains. You see how this forms like a Y? Okay? Now we're going to make a Y of mountain folds. So here's the stem of the Y, and it goes here and there. Okay? Let's do that 3 more times. And lastly, let's put a valley fold right on this diagonal there. And here. And here. And here. Okay. So here we have the crease pattern of a simple flasher. So let's start by, you have your hand underneath here, and you're going to pinch right along here and pinch here. Okay, we're going to do this whole corner. So now you squeeze this valley fold. That means you want to bring this edge and squeeze it with this edge, you see? And that makes the valley fold. Okay, now let's make these valley folds right here. So we lift it up and pinch the mountain and squeeze. See, see my hand is under here and I'm just squeezing it together like this. And now let's make the mountain and mountain and squeeze them together. Alright, and that is 1/4 of the simple flasher. We have to do that 3 more times. So here we go. Mountain and mountain, and squeeze the mountains together, forming this valley, and make this valley and this valley. You could squeeze it from the back side. And now make the mountain, and the mountain, and the mountain, and squeeze the 2 mountains together to form the valley. Alright, 2 done, 2 to go. We have our mountain and our mountain. Squeeze. And now let's make this valley and this valley. And this mountain. Squeeze, and this mountain, and squeeze. Okay, one to go. Valley, valley. And mountain, mountain. And squeeze the mountains. Alright, so here is the pattern. And the last step is just to squish it together. So just push on the sides and you see how it just rolls up. Push, 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 push. And there it is. And now right here and right here, and there it is. The easy flasher. Your first flasher. The back side. And if you want to wet fold it, then tie a rubber band around it. Okay. And dunk it in water. You might want to just push the center down. Okay. And then just put this out in the sun to dry. And you will have a flasher that springs back. Alright, well, I hope you guys were able to follow that video because that's about as easy as I can make it. So, alright, well, there you have it. Catch you later. And here it is after it's been wet folded and dried. You see how it just springs back? And now that you folded this easy flasher, there's a whole world of flashers now that you can try to make. Alright, have a flasherific day.